Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Yes, today I share with you the simple no oven gizzard kebab recipe with you all. It's such a delicious one and very easy to put together as well. So without wasting my time, let's dive right into it. To begin with this gizzard kebab recipe, I will start by cleaning my gizzard very well. So to a bowl, I'll go in with my gizzard. I'll go in with some water as well. And to help clean the gizzard, I'll go in with some white natural vinegar. You can also use lemon juice or lemon water if that is what you have, alright? I'll also use the help of salt as well to get rid of any smell and also any sliminess from the gizzard. You really need to watch this for about 3 to 4 times to get the perfect results. Now, after the gizzard is well cleaned, I'll transfer it into my cooking pot and I'll be cooking this until it's nice and very soft. And so to seasoning my meat, I'll go in with some chopped or diced onions. Next, I'll go in with some garlic and ginger paste, chicken seasoning and salt to taste as well. I'll go in with just a little bit of water, cover it and allow it to cook. After 5 more minutes, I will check it, and as you can see, the gizzard has really released a lot of water, but it's still not ready. So I'll give it a gentle stir, cover it again on low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes for the meat to soften very well. Alright, so after extra 15 minutes, this is how it looks like. It's very soft to my liking. So I'll just turn off the flame and set it aside. Since we are making kebab out of this, I will be needing my skewers. And so I'll be soaking my skewers in water for about 30 to 1 hour to help absorb the water a little bit, so that when I'm grilling it, the skewers will not catch any fire or it won't burn. That is the reason why I'm soaking the skewers, alright? Now, when you come to Ghana, a typical kebab recipe, we don't add in any veggies apart from onions. And so today, I'm going the original way or the typical way of making kebab in Ghana. So I'll be going in with just onions, and trust me, you are going to love it. And also today, I'm going to be adding in groundnut paste. I know a lot of people are going to be surprised about adding the groundnut paste to the gizzard directly. Yes, today I'm making a difference, and this recipe was being inspired by my favorite street joint kebab seller. He taught me this trick, and trust me, I also really enjoyed it as well, and I hope you're going to enjoy it as well. So I also went in with some homemade yaji or kebab soya spice, which you're going to love it. I'll leave the video in the description box for you to check it out. To also seasoning the meat, I'll go in with some hot pepper and I'll mix it all together, and afterwards, that is it. I am done. For my kebab soya spice, in fact, I have a lot of salt in it, so if I don't even add in any salt, that is it. But if you taste for salt and it's not enough, you can still go in with some salt if you want, alright? So next, I'll begin by arranging my meat and my onions on my skewers very nicely, just the way you see it on your screens right now. We don't have any systematic way of doing this. You just have to arrange it just the way you are seeing it or just the way you want it. Yes. So now let's arrange everything nicely on the skewers until we are done with it. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so moving forward, I will start by mixing My ingredients which I'll be using to brush the meat. So to a bowl, I'll go in with some yaji or homemade Kebab soya spice. Next, I'll go in with some pepper, garlic and ginger paste, salt to taste, and I'll also go in with some cooking oil. I will mix it all together and set it aside. Next, I'm going to brush some of the oil in my grilling pan, just the way you see it on your screens right now. This way your kebab is not going to be sticking to the pan, and also it's going to help grill very nicely. So after arranging it very nicely, just the way you see it on your screens, I'll brush the kebab with some of the oil which I mixed with some ingredients earlier on, which is also going to add extra taste to the meat as well. So now let's grill everything until it is nice and juicy. While that is going on, if you haven't still give this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a like. Don't forget as well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification bell, and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so approximately I've been grilling this for about 2 to 3 minutes now on low medium heat, and I have flipped it over for the other side to also grill very well. And as you can see, I'm also brushing the toppings of the meat with some of the oil, and trust me, this meat or this kebab recipe was so much delicious. I hope you're going to try this for your family and they are all going to love it. Trust me on this one. And do you see that smoky vibes over there? This is really giving the street sellers kebab soya spice recipe. I just love how it smells over here, and trust me, the taste was so good. I hope you're going to try, and I will be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your beautiful comments down below. Alright, so now our kebab is ready. So now all that is left is to grab some chill drink and enjoy yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video up till this point, and also please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video also to reach wider audience, and please, if you haven't still subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do what to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching.